Nubia Z70 Ultra full specifications. The Android Vi-15 operating system offers a range of improvements and new features, with a focus on enhancing user experience and performance. One notable feature is the in-display fingerprint sensor, which provides convenient and secure access to the device. The display of the device is a large 6.82-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1116 by 2480 pixels, resulting in an average pixel density of 400 ppi. It supports HDR10+ and has a peak brightness of 3000 nits, covering 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. Additionally, the display features a high refresh rate of 144 Hz, providing smooth visuals for an enhanced viewing experience. The camera on this device boasts a triple rear setup, with each lens offering a high resolution of 50 megapixels along with optical image stabilization, OIS. The video recording feature supports 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, ensuring high-quality UHD video capture. Additionally, the front camera has a 32-megapixel resolution, making it suitable for capturing detailed selfies and video calls. Overall, the camera features on this device are above average and cater to users who prioritize photography and videography capabilities in their smartphones. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and octa-core processor, combined with 12 GB of RAM, provide powerful performance for multitasking and running demanding applications. The 256 GB of inbuilt memory offers ample storage space for files, apps, and media. However, the lack of memory card support may limit the expandable storage options for users with large media libraries or extensive data needs. Overall, the technical specifications of this device are average, offering decent performance and storage capacity for most users. The connectivity options for this device include 4G, 5G, and VoLTE LTE for fast and reliable mobile network connections. It also supports Bluetooth V5.4, Wi-Fi, and NFC for seamless wireless communication and data transfer. Additionally, the device features a USB-C V3.1 port for fast charging and data transfer. Furthermore, it includes an IR blaster for controlling compatible electronic devices. The large 6,200 mAh battery provides long-lasting power for your device. Additionally, the 100-watt fast charging capability allows you to quickly recharge your device, minimizing downtime and keeping you powered up and ready to go.